I'm gonna do a video on how to change a few switches out on your Toyota Tundra. Here I'm gonna show you how to change the mirror switch and the on-off lamp switch here on my Toyota Tundra. First, you take a screwdriver or something, anything you want, and you pry behind this plastic piece here, and you see it pop right off. And I'm gonna show you a view of it. And also take a screwdriver or some plastic if you don't want to scar everything up. Get some plastic and just start prying right here. And you see how it's coming loose. It got some clips on it. And then you could take your finger or something and start pulling it. Make sure right in here you want to pull down and out, so you won't break that tab right there. You see that tab? You don't have to take this completely off. As you can see, you got these plugs. I'm gonna go ahead and take the connectors off. You see right here, you just squeeze the top of that connector and it pops right out. I'm doing all this with one hand while I'm recording. Same thing with the dome light, interior dome light. You push and pull that connector out. Okay, on the mirror adjust, this right here, it pushes right out, but it's a clip right there on the side. And you take the screwdriver, which I can't do it right now. I'm gonna show you where to put the screwdriver at. But you take the screwdriver and you put it right there and just push it through. And it'll push right through. As you can see, I already got it pushed through. It slides right out. And that's the mirror adjust. And you see the clips are on the top. When it goes in, I'm gonna show you what it do. You push it in, it'll clip back in. And also your dome light, it pushes in from the inside, and the clips for it is on the top. And you're gonna see when I put it back in, you're gonna hear it clip in when I put it back in. So I'm putting it back in and you hear a snap. Okay, it's in. And I'm gonna put the mirror adjust in, and you put it from the outside and push it in. And the clamps are on the side. You'll hear it click. Okay, once that in, you put your connectors back on and you're done. So you see I'm gonna snap these connectors back on. And then line everything up neatly, make sure everything adjusted right, working correctly. Line your tabs up, make sure nothing is in a bind. And you see how I match the tops and sides up together. And you just push it and everything will click back into place. As you hear all that stuff snapping back into place. And that's all to changing the lights. I searched everywhere on the internet, YouTube. I couldn't find any video on how to change these switches. As you see, you put that back on, you clip it back on. I hope this video helped. Have a great day.